Alright, what is hitting me in my helmet? Is my thing undone? I think it is. No, it's not undone. I don't know. I'm so confuzzled. Oh, it's my hoodie string. Yeah, it's definitely my hoodie string. Just some cows. There's cows everywhere around here, and I don't understand why. It's like just open fields of cows. Alright, I want to find a nice little parking garage to go up. The one over there, the top's closed, and I can't go to the top. And that's what I want to do, is go to the top. And I should be able to cut through this one and get to the other one, because the roof's closed on this one. There's the other parking garage. How do I get to it though? Because I can't go that way, can I? Oh, I can go up that way. Okay. Can I go this way? Tow away zone. Unauthorized vehicle vessels will be towed. Private property. Awesome. Ooh, I feel like I'm so gonna touch the ceiling, but I'm not. Bro, how do I get to the roof? That's all I want to do. Wait, so why is there another one over there? How do I get to that one? Oh, I can just go this way. Bet. I'm gonna go over there. Bro, why is it coned off? Can I go up that way? No, bro, why are they all coned off? Bro, what is this? Stop, no trespassing. Awesome. Let's go, like, beautiful. Alright. I'm gonna actually turn this on so like the lights are on. I'm gonna show you guys the bike now. I just got this. When did I buy it? I bought it on Wednesday. It's currently Sunday. Sunday? It is currently Sunday. So I've had the bike for 4 whole days. My 4th day with it. I've put probably around 200 miles on it already. It's a lot of fun. It is a 2023 Ninja 400. So yeah, I'm just gonna do more riding around for you guys. Figure this would be a cool little spot to set up. Let's take some pictures. I'm sorry if it's loud. I don't know what's going on over here. Got like a hole on whatever this thing is. I don't know what that is, but it's loud. Yeah, I'm just gonna go right around. These pictures will probably end up on my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description. It should be Sharky Rides, same as whatever you're watching this on. So if you guys wanna check that out, make sure to follow me. Go right around now. Yeah, this thing's also like really quiet. So I need to get myself a nice little slip-on exhaust. Bro, what is this? It's so steep, so scary. Let's go this way. Just exit that way though. Exit, keep right. I'm not sure though. Bro, there's another one of those weird cars. Hold up. Oh, there's a C8 right there. Hold up. Oh, there's people right there. I'm doing it anyway. Alright, we gotta back in. Get myself a nice little pick with them. Oh, there's someone coming. Hold up. I'm leaving. I'm not doing that. Never mind. I ain't doing that. That was awkward. Change of plans. We're going down one more. Bro, it's this thing. Like, what is that? There's 2 of them. Like, what are those things? The red one looks weird. I don't know. Anyways, oh, there's the exit. Alrighty, let's see. Where else can we go? I don't know what right is. I think it's just a dead end. I'm gonna go left. Yeah, I think it's just dead end. Bro, it's so hot. I'm gonna turn left up here. Yo, hold up. There's a McLaren in there. We pulling up to it. Can I go this way? I don't know. Yo, that thing's sick. Bro, yo. That thing's sick. I could totally hop on the highway. I'm gonna get out of the way of this guy because I definitely needed to shift right there, but we're chilling. So much more fun to ride like twisty roads, even though these aren't really that twisty. I don't know where I'm going, to be honest. I don't even know where I am. Like some sort of hospital or something. Lake house? That don't look like no lake house. Let's see, what's down here? Looks like some more neighborhoods. I'm gonna go right, so I don't have to wait for the light. Ow, that hurt. That was a big bump. Ow. We're chilling. Can I U-turn here? I can. Let's get it. Although, oh, should I hop on the? I'm not jumping. I'm not. I ain't doing that. That sounds kind of scary. But do I? I could just hop on. There's an exit like right after. I think I should do it. I'm gonna do it. Why not? I don't know if there's sensors on this one. Let's just hop on the highway. Let's do it. I think I can hop right off. So, yo, there's the refrigerator. It's just like going 55, but faster. My max speed I've ever hit is probably like 55, so this will be fun.
Hey, the backpack's open.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Thanks. I didn't realize that. My backpack. Hold up. I'm probably gonna get a green one. Oh, I didn't realize that. Zip faster. Why can't I get a hold of the zipper? That could have been bad. I don't think there's anything in there though, so it doesn't really matter. It's totally censored, so I had nothing in there, so it didn't really matter. But oh, this is gonna be censored and it's not gonna go. I can just U-turn and go in the other way. Alright, we're going into traffic again because oh, he could have went. He could have went. He could have went. He could have went. He still could go. He still could go. Bro. He still could have went. Bro, what are you doing? Now he's gonna go. I gotta get myself lined up. Oh, it's red now. Oh, I should have just ran it. Whatever. Oh, there we go. Alright, there's the highway. I'm scared. But we should be chilling. I think I got this. I've gone 55. It's like 10 more faster. Yo, there's that McLaren again. Okay. Alright, we gotta go 70, okay? Oh, it feels so weird. The wind is so strong. Alright. I don't know how the audio is going to be at 70, but it's so hard to turn back, head back. Alright, I'm literally going to just hop off at this one because I ain't trying to spend $60 to ride on this road. But I did it. Oh, there's a car behind me, so I can't really slow down. Okay. I don't know what's up here, though, or how this exit goes. Oh, that is so much fun. I want to go 70 more. What's up here? Oh, anytime headlights get shined in my thing, it's hard to see. Alright, let's go. This looks like a good spot to stop off. Yeah, we can go in here. Alright, hopefully when I start going it defogs itself. Oh, I have my visor open the tiniest bit. Alright, we did it. My visor keeps fogging up though, and I don't like that. It's kind of hard to see, not gonna lie. I need to clean. Wow, dude. Wow. That was that's a terrible horn, not gonna lie. They did not see me. We're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. I don't like upshifting in turns, but I definitely got to do that. My man's blasting that music. I can hear it from here. Alright, well, I think that's probably going to end up being it for the video. So, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to let me know. I'm going to keep uploading these videos because they're fun. And yeah, so, yeah, make sure to let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys later, I guess.